On crypto news today, we have January 17th, $1.2 million for selling selfies. So, you guys, you're welcome back. You should buy keys. We're live on CoinMarketCap blog. Article by Connor Sefton. I'm going to be reviewing this article right here on our Bitcoin menu. So, table of contents, we have the biggest, best crypto news and lots of other news. So, guys, you also want to check out CoinMarketCap podcast available on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, Google Podcasts, and more. So these are news updates. Podcast is usually very informative, so you want to check it out. You can also play it directly right here on Play on SoundCloud. So is Walmart planning a crypto move? So we have separate document discuss online retail store services featuring virtual merchandise. In other words, a metaverse. So Walmart is continuously exploring how emerging technologies may shape future shopping experiences. So we don't have anything further to share today. So guys, you want to check that full story out? We'll be dropping a video on that too. So another setback for Cryptoland. So Cryptoland attracted some unwelcoming criticism after a cringe-worthy video promoting the project went viral. So to make matters worse, Cryptoland issued an apology after responding to a tweet that asked what the age of consent would be on the island. The reply from its account said mental maturity should be enough. So Spain targets crypto influencers. So Spain is introducing tough new measures surrounding crypto ads. Advertisers will need to provide clear, balanced, impartial, and non-deceptive content on the risks involved with investing in digital assets. So crypto exchanges will fall under the rules unveiled on Monday alongside influencers who have been paid for their posts. So we have Russia dismantles Referral group. So the FSB raided the homes of 14 organized criminals, seizing cash and cryptocurrencies worth of millions of dollars, computers, digital wallets, and 20 high-end cars. So the organized criminal community ceased to exist. The information infrastructure used for criminal purposes was neutralized, it added. House of a Door damning poll released. So most of those polled believe BTC mainly benefits foreign investors, entrepreneurs, and the rich rather than the public. So when asked about how regularly they rely on the cryptocurrency to buy food or pay for services like water and electricity, just 3.9% said they use BTC on a daily basis. So we have here on news headline: Teen makes $1 million selling NFT sales. So a 22-year-old who was taking selfies every day for 5 years has made $1.2 million by selling them as NFTs. Gonzalo was likely inspired by YouTube videos where creators show how they've gradually changed over the years. However, so you can do anything like flipping or whatever, but please don't abuse my photos or my parents will be very disappointed to me. So want to win a free trip to space? The Bitcoin conference is offering a rather novel prize to attendees: a free trip to space. The prize is being offered by Space Perspective, an astronaut, and instead of blasting off on a rocket, the lucky winner will be lifted by a balloon large enough to encapsulate the Statue of Liberty. Attendees have a 1 in a 4,000 chance of being selected. And Stars on Crypto Ads in London revealed. So almost 40,000 crypto adverts were displayed on London's transport network in a 6-month period last year. New figures reveal. The Freedom of Information Act request by the Guardian shows that 9,560 hours were shown across the capital's buses and trains between April and September 2021. Some of these hours ended up getting banned by advertising regulators. So guys, that's all we have on our news update today. Your boy Keys will do. If you find this informative, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. We'll also be dropping a link in the description box so you can check these out. We'll also be doing a separate video upload for this. news updates so you can get the full gist. Peace out, stay safe, and one love.